My leg was amputated when I was 13. I was hit by a drunk driver. I never let that stop me, though.
Sarah has been a national ski racer, a mountain climber.
I'm a mother of 3, an occupational therapist, and a co-founder of SideStix.
SideStix are modular forearm crutches.
That's Kareth.
They have a shock absorber for comfort and to reduce injury.
He's an engineer, designer, and the other co-founder of SideStix.
Sarah and I found each other later in life, and we wanted to build something better for Sarah.
I always felt equipment shouldn't hold you back, and mine really was.
Sarah had tried to work with machinists over the years to create something custom.
But the best I could come up with was to put a bicycle shock in a crutch.
That didn't quite do it, so we realized we had to create something from scratch.
So, with Kareth's engineering experience
and Sarah's living, walking, and occupational therapist experience,
we started to build something better.
Sarah tested our first prototype on the Camino de Santiago.
It took me 30 days to walk the 500 miles.
We learned a lot about what did and didn't work.
A lot about what didn't work.
After many improvements and a lot more community testing, we took our second major prototype up Mount Kilimanjaro.
It was an amazing experience.
We took all that testing, tweaked it, improved it,
and released SideStix out into the world.
We took SideStix to all these places and pushed them to the limit.
Because people need to trust that their equipment will hold up no matter where they go.
Although our design has held up for over 10 years, we will never be finished developing SideStix.
We're always in touch with our clients to find out how we can improve.
And the feedback we received right from the start has been incredible.
People reach out to us every day to share their stories and to let us know how much this has improved their lives.
The comfort that the shock absorber provides, the freedom to go anywhere with the attachments, and the overall quality are the things that people highlight the most.
When ordering SideStix, you have quite a few options to make them just right for you.
There are 2 models of SideStix, the Boundless and the Discovery.
The Boundless has a shock absorber, the Discovery doesn't.
The shock absorber is specifically designed for SideStix and uses a urethane elastomer for damping.
We have different elastomers for different weight ranges, so each person can have the most effective shock absorption.
By smoothing out the bumps and jolts, the shock absorber can help prevent repetitive strain injury and joint compression in the shoulders.
When I'm walking longer distances, I can't go without the shock absorber.
Some unexpected information that came to light during the studies on the SideStix shock absorber was that there is a measurable energy return from the shock absorber.
If you're interested in reading more about the research, reach out to us and we'd be happy to send the documents along.
Although the Boundless is the most comfortable version of SideStix, the Discovery is a better fit for some.
If someone wants the absolute lightest crutch and they're not walking long distances, like over a mile,
or if they work in dirt and mud, like on a farm for example, the Discovery without any moving parts might be a better fit.
These are just examples, but we're happy to discuss choices with you and make recommendations based on individual circumstances.
The next option is the type of cuff.
We offer a front cuff, the most common type, but also a side cuff and a 3/4 cuff.
The most common reason for choosing a side opening cuff is that the SideStix won't fall off your arm when you reach up for something.
I've been using the side cuff right from the start, and I find it way more convenient for me.
We have a removable leather cuff pad that goes inside the cuff for extra comfort.
In the wintertime, it's really great to be able to take it out when you have a big coat on.
You can keep it in your pocket and put it back in once you get where you're going.
Moving down the forearm, the type of grip is the next option.
We've developed our own grip called a fin grip.
It has a large flexible fin on the side which helps absorb bumps right under the heel of your hand.
Like an orthotic, it supports the palm and is fitted to the contours of the hand.
It's so comfortable and has made a real difference in reducing the numbness in my hand while I'm walking longer distances.
The angle of the grip is fully adjustable by loosening this screw and rotating the grip.
This allows people to adjust it so their wrist is in a relaxed position no matter what their walking style.
The other grip we offer is a BioCork grip made by Ergon.
Although it was a bicycle grip, it was the most comfortable grip that we could find until we developed our own.
Each grip has a slightly different feel to it, so there's no right or wrong answer.
The Ergon grip comes in 2 sizes, a large and a small, while the fin grip only comes in a medium.
If a person has especially large hands, we'll often recommend the ergon grip because the large size means that their hands can be more relaxed on the grip.
We also offer grip covers made of neoprene for both styles of grips. They make the grips softer and they're also washable.
The grip covers add about 1/8 of an inch all around to the size of the grips, which can be helpful for people with large hands.
SideStix Forearm is ergonomically designed to keep your wrist in a neutral position.
Normally, crutch grips are parallel to the floor, which puts your wrists in a deviated position.
We've angled the grip up 10 degrees to ensure the wrist stays in a neutral position.
This helps to prevent long-term injury and reduces numbing in the hands and fingers.
Moving down to the lower tubes, we offer carbon fiber or aluminum.
The carbon fiber tubes are extremely light and strong.
Although they can be weakened if they get deeply cut or gouged.
If the person will be in a really rough environment or among sharp rocks, aluminum might be a better choice.
If you want to customize the look of your SideStix, we offer many different vinyl wraps for your lower tubes.
These can help protect the lower tubes from scuffs and scrapes.
At the bottom of the SideStix, we have some features that make them really unique. The tip attachments.
We have an array of attachments for all sorts of terrain and activities that can be easily switched out on the go.
We use a clamp system for the attachments.
The clamps are easy to loosen and tighten, they don't wear out, and they're infinitely adjustable.
They're also completely silent, unlike the rattling of a click-stop system.
This has been an important part of the SideStix design right from the start, to make them sleek, stylish, and silent.
Every pair of SideStix comes standard with high-quality rubber tips called tornado tips.
Tornado tips are a versatile, flexible rubber tip made by the Thomas Federman Company.
They're simply the best all-around crutch tip that we could find.
Tornado tips provide good articulation and stick to the ground throughout the swing.
This helps provide a better grip on many different surfaces, including wet tiles.
If you need better grip off the pavement, for example on trails, wet wood or ice, we offer grip caps.
I have mine on almost constantly during the winter.
These are plastic caps with high carbon steel screws in them. They fit over the tornado tips and provide excellent traction.
If you're going somewhere where there's a lot of mud or onto the beach, we have sand shoe attachments.
The sand shoes have a center spindle, a 4-inch metal ring, and flexible decking to help prevent the SideStix from sinking in, while also providing better traction.
If you're planning on going into the snow, we have larger snowshoe attachments.
The snowshoes have an 8-inch ring which fit on the same spindle attachment.
I love being able to go snowshoeing again. It's something I wasn't able to do for a long time.
Our last attachment is a freely rotating tip called the Revolution tip.
The Revolution tip uses a tornado tip, but it also allows free rotation and articulation.
This can help to drastically reduce repetitive strain injuries of the shoulder, which can occur with a swing-through gait.
I keep these on all the time, and I've felt an amazing improvement in my shoulders.
To ensure that SideStix fit perfectly, we custom build each pair.
We collect 5 measurements, including basic information such as weight and height.
The first measurement is from the point of the elbow to the knuckles closest to the palm.
This helps us build the correct forearm size so that the cuff sits 3/4 of the way up your forearm.
Measurement 2 is from the knuckles closest to the palm to the floor.
For this one, you should stand with your arms by your sides, wearing normal shoes.
Measurement 3 is the circumference of the largest part of the forearm.
This helps us size the cuff correctly.
Measurement 4 is from the tip of the pinky to the tip of the thumb, with the hand outstretched.
This will determine the size of the grip you'll need.
The last measurement that we ask for, which isn't always possible for you to provide, is from the bottom of the tip to the top of the grip for your existing crutches.
If you have crutches already and they're set up correctly, then it's helpful for us to know that length.
All of these measurements should be recorded in the appropriate spaces on our sizing form.
Sometimes we get requests from people who need totally unique solutions.
Such as someone who's 700 pounds, 7 feet tall, or missing an arm.
We've created versions of SideStix for all of these cases.
If you contact us, we can work together to develop a perfect solution.
The cost of SideStix has been covered by many insurance companies.
You can generate a quote right on our website to submit for pre-approval.
Go to the FAQ tab on our website for more information.
SideStix are a custom-built modular forearm crutch system. They've been developed using research-based data and perfected through rigorous testing.
Every day we hear how SideStix have changed people's lives. We believe these will be a valuable tool for you.
If you have any questions at all, we'd love to hear from you.